Now let us see how we can set up the VS Code in order to run Python programs. Here I have already opened up the VS Code, and the first thing that I do is I will create a workspace. So I will click on this file and then I will choose the option which says save workspace as, and after that I will go to my desktop and here I will save my workspace. On my desktop I will right click and then I will create a folder and I will call it as Python programming. You guys can give any name, and after that I will open up this folder, and inside this folder I will save my workspace. I will provide the name as Python workspace and then I will click on save. Now we can see Python workspace. Our workspace has been saved. Now the next thing that I will do is I will add a folder to the workspace which will contain the Python programs. So I will click on this file and then I will choose the option which says add folder to workspace. Now I will go to my desktop and Python programming folder which I have created, and inside this folder I will right click and then I will create a new folder, and this time I will call it as programs. Again, you guys can give any name, and after that I will select this folder and then I will click on this add. Now it says, do you trust the authors of the files in this folder? I will click on yes. Now it says the restricted mode is used. So we will click on this manage and then here we will click on this trust. So what it does is it will open up the workspace in trusted mode. Now we can close this window. Now the next thing that we do is we will click on this explorer icon, and here we can find the workspace and the folders that we have created. Now I will select this programs folder and then I will click on this new file icon and I will create a simple Python file to store a simple Python program. I will call it as hello.py and then I will hit the enter key. Now we can see the hello.py file has been created. Now before writing any program, we will install some extensions. So we will click on this extensions and here we will search for Python. Now here we will install the extension called as Python created by Microsoft. We will click on this install. This will also install the Python debugger, Python environment and all other required extensions. So it will do that automatically. So once the extension is installed, we can close this window and we can hide this extensions tab. Now here we can write a simple Python program. I will use print and I will say hello world, and after that I will click on this file and I will click on this save option. Here along with that we can also choose this autosave option which will automatically save our files whenever we make any modifications. Now the next thing is how we can run this program. For that, if you go to the top right section, we can find this play like icon and a down arrow. If we click on that, we can see the option run Python file in the dedicated terminal, run as a task, all these options. If you click on this run Python file, the Python program will run in the terminal. We can see the output here. Along with that, if you choose the run Python file in dedicated terminal, a new terminal will be created and the Python program will be run and we can see the output. So this is how we can set up the VS Code for Python programming. So this is it guys. This is how we can run Python programs on VS Code on Windows 11 computer. If you like the video, hit the like button. Otherwise, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.